Parco, I'll be handling your case today.
Case or heartbreak?
You talk too much for a bird, and you blink too beautifully for a cop. You think flirting will get you out of trouble?
I'm just exercising my right to remain charming.
Sit down, Casanova.
Sorry, officer. My charisma's hard to contain.
You're accused of stealing sunflower seeds from the pet store. I prefer to call it unauthorized snacking.
You're not the usual suspect, are you?
No, ma'am. I'm the premium edition.
You're bold for a bird.
Boldness is my love language.
Caught on camera again.
That's Photoshop. I was at a romantic dinner.
You're impossible.
Impossible is just my stage name.
If we went out, I'd pay in sunflower seeds.
That's not how dating works, Parco.
Tell that to my seed budget.
You're pretty confident for someone in an interrogation.
That's because I use feathers, not filters.
You're quite the talker, Parco. And you're quite the reason I keep talking. You're under arrest for excessive charm.
I plead guilty, but stylishly.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, or I'll flirt with your Wi-Fi.